The net's the other way.
What?
The net is the other way. Nice, dude. You want to take a shot?
Yeah.
I got some Smirnoff. You'll have to go like on the inside. The inside, yeah. Like that.
My mouth just got filled with debris, bro.
Who's got a garden on his fucking mouth? Well, there's all the alcohol we poured. What is up, everybody? I am in this ridiculously large Hummer, and if you read the title of the video, I am here to put stars on the roof. So this is certainly the largest headliner I've ever done. I'm gonna be using 2 kits on this one, 1100 stars. It's gonna get a bit crazy, so let's get started.
I bought it for my birthday. March? Beginning of March I bought it.
Okay, you.
Nice talking to you. Ciao.
Okay.
Report. Thank you.
Okay, so I'm here in my basement. My phone died as I was filming outside, but the headliner's all finished being dyed, and I mapped out everything I'm doing for the stars. Don't be confused by this whole thing right here. I messed up. I'm trying a new design, and the first time drawing it did not go as planned. So don't feel like you have to know what's going on there, because I screwed up, and I hopefully can save it. But basically, on a regular kit, what I do is I draw out a grid, try and get it as even as possible in all the areas that you want to be putting stars into, and then you just divide the amount of stars you have by how many squares you have on the roof, and that gives you an average amount of stars you want to put, or dots you want to put in each square. I am going to take a needle and poke all these holes. There's over 1,000 of them, so it doesn't look like much, you know, it looks like just a few dots, but when it all adds up, yeah, there's over 1,000 of these here, so it's going to take me a few minutes to say the least. I stopped filming last night because it gets dark in here and I probably look like a zombie while I'm doing this stuff. But once you are done poking all your holes, you basically are taking your strands, laying them out, orienting the end that's going to go to the box. You gotta figure that out. Wherever it's going to go in the car, you need a good idea of where it's going to come from the headliner down the car. So put it there, make sure to leave yourself enough length that you'll reach the box. Take a good measurement of where the box is going to be sitting, and you basically start feeding these strands through the holes. I like to break it up into a couple sections, you know, keeps it a bit more organized. This one has become a mess with this design, but I mean, I have over 350 stars like just right here alone in this design, so it's bound to get messy. All right, after many tedious hours, I am done all the gluing. So you don't need a crazy amount of glue, just a little puddle, just hold it in place. I tried to contain the mess the best I could. Doesn't need to be perfect. It all just gets shoved up against the roof anyways. So yeah, with that being done, I'm going to do a slight trim to these guys just with scissors, just to clean up some of this mess. All right, so we didn't film. Whoa! It's good.
Did you drop it?
Yeah, we're good.
Hummer.
Yeah, Hummer. Here with these boys, Hummer.
Somebody give it to our girl. Baby girl, oh my girl, it's China Parcel. Welcome on the way the time, girl. I wanna be keeping you on. I got the right temperature, version that you from the top. Hold on, girl, I got the right texture, and you on. And girl, I wanna be the papa, you can't be the mom.
So we made it from outside, and we made it outside from the inside. The headliner's in. It was painful, but it's in, and we're hooking everything up now. So
Yeah.
tripod.
Yeah.
Sure.
Baby girl,
No,
oh
we'll
my
just not
God.
film this part. Just imagine this part.
Oh, just picture.
Okay.
Dude, what?
Picture it holding.
Picture me.
So we stopped filming like basically when we left the basement with the headliner. But thanks to this guy. Hey, I'm here. He did most of the work. And there it is. That is your finished product. The Galaxy turned out pretty good. Yeah, it looks pretty sick.
That's nice, man.
So it's about 400 stars in the Galaxy. Yeah, it looks pretty neat.
What color looks the best? What do you think? I think purple.
I really like the purple, yeah.
I love purple in these.
The purple and the
lights.
pinks, yeah. That's okay.
It's okay, John. We got her. She's in our hands now.
What a good video this is become. Abby, say hi to YouTube.
Abby, you're gonna be YouTube famous.
Abby is on the YouTube channel. Okay, come see Austin.
Oh, you are such a good girl. with everything all mounted up. The boxes are wired in. This is going to be the end of the Hummer video. As always, thank you for watching. If you made it this far, I'm sorry you had to look at me for this long. I'm probably going to get a haircut soon, hopefully, maybe. If this is something you want to do, I hope you're able to attempt it yourself now, or have the confidence to attempt it yourself. If not, you know where to find me. It's why I'm here. It's why I do it. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you next time. I'm going to work on the Sylvia. Go destroy your headliner. Please don't dislike this video.